Chef Kit. Welcome to today's Power Lunch. We have 4 sandwiches that we're going to be making and a side salad. Everything is really straightforward, really easy to put together. There's no laborious technical things here. It's all just assemble and go. The first thing I will check, has everyone boiled their egg? Yeah? Cool. If you haven't, put it on now. We'll do the other 3 sandwiches and we'll come back to that one if you haven't already got there. And our mayonnaise. And we're just going to cut it up so that we can mash it all together.
Here in the call you will see Danielle, who is actually taking care of the tech part, background noise. So if you need to ask any questions to Kit or comment, make sure that you unmute yourself first.
And just one more quick little tech tip. We have 3 cameras going on. So you have the lauder counter and garden, and it's a side view of the cutting board. You have a front view of the cutting board, and then you have Chef Kit, who's face to face. So if you're on a device like a PC, you could actually switch beyond the screens. And if you're on a handheld device or an iPad, you can swipe to see which screen you would like to see, the angle of the cutting and so forth. But you're in control of that in your own user experience. But be reminded you have that freedom too.
How do you make sure that people don't cheat? Because, I mean, honestly, they have fixed camera.
Spot on.
Nice.
Ooh.
Oh, Alessio.
Nice, Alessio.
Alessio, show it again. We want to see it again. Wow.
Those croutons, golden brown, perfect, excellent. The dressing, the chicken, it's textbook perfect.